In this video, I'll guide you through how to print a Jotform. If you've ever needed a paper copy of your online form or wanted to save it neatly as a PDF, adding a print option directly to your Jotform makes that really simple. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click and what to enable so that you or anyone filling out your form can easily print it. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your browser and go to jotform.com. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access and edit your forms. If you're not logged in yet, take a moment to do that now because the print option we're setting up is controlled from within the form editor. Once you're on the main Jotform dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu, and in that menu, there's an option labeled All. Click on All. This view shows you all the forms in your account in one place, which makes it easier to find the specific form you want to work with, especially if you have a lot of forms already created. Now, from the list of forms, find the one you want to add printing to. When you've located it, click on the form and then choose Edit Form. This opens the form builder where you can change the layout, fields, and buttons. We're going to use this editor to turn on the print feature that's built into the Submit button. Inside the form editor, scroll down to the bottom of your form until you see the Submit button. This is the button people click when they're finished filling out the form and ready to send their responses. Click directly on that Submit button. Selecting it tells Jotform that you want to adjust the settings for this specific element. After you click the Submit button, you'll see a settings panel appear, usually on the right side of the screen. In that panel, look for an option called Properties and click it. Properties is where Jotform keeps the detailed settings for form elements, including labels, behavior, and in our case, printing options. Within the Properties panel, you'll see several tabs across the top. Click on the tab labeled Advanced. The Advanced tab contains additional controls that don't fit under the basic settings, and this is where Jotform hides the very handy print button toggle. In the Advanced section, look for the setting that says Print Button. Turn this option on or enable it. As soon as you do this, Jotform will add a print button right next to your Submit button when someone views the live form. This button opens the browser's print dialog, allowing users to print the filled out form or save it as a PDF, depending on their printer options. Once you've enabled the print button, it's a good idea to confirm everything looks and works the way you expect. At the top of the editor, click Preview Form. This opens a live preview of your form in a new window or panel. Scroll down to the bottom of the form and you should now see both the Submit button and a new Print button. You can even test the Print button to make sure it brings up the print dialog correctly. That's all you need to do to print a Jotform by adding a built-in print option for your users.